My name is Jehan. I'm an electrical engineering Ph.D. student at Purdue, and here are some good tips on choosing a Ph.D. advisor. So my most important tip is you want an advisor who is an effective communicator, somebody that has experience overseeing a PhD student from the beginning of the project to the completion of the project. And you want somebody with a strong publication record and is able to be the leading authority on your research interests. So you want to make sure that your research interests align to what they do as well. And they have to be really active in their research field. And not only the research aspect, but they also have to have enough time to provide adequate supervision. And you want to make sure that your goals align with your goals and interests align with your PhD work. So you want an advisor that is able to see that and is able to tailor your PhD work to something that you would be interested in as well, and is something that is a goal for you to have, maybe not even just during your PhD, but also after your PhD during your career as well. And you also want somebody with a supportive personality and you would be able to get along with. So basically, you want to define your own research agenda and goals. Your advisor is merely a mentor, and you should be the one taking initiative during your PhD. And it's up to you to find the best advisor. So they should equally impress you as you do them.